From mountain roads to wheelchair ramps, steepness is everywhere. Dear viewers, let us see how mathematics measures steepness. Our today's topic is based upon gradient. From the word gradient, we mean steepness of a line. From the word gradient, we mean steepness. So in order to understand this concept, let's take an example. Let us suppose that we have this ladder. Let's take an example. This is a ladder. And we want to find out the steepness of this ladder. So from the word steepness, we mean, let's suppose this is the ladder and we will keep this ladder on this line. This is the ladder. And we are to determine the steepness of this ladder, the gradient of this ladder. From steepness, we mean how much distance this ladder has traveled along x-axis and how much distance it has traveled along y-axis. As we can see that, let us suppose this is the ladder here. AB is the ladder, okay, and in this ladder, this ladder has covered the distance 2 units from x-axis, from this point to this point. Let us suppose this is C, and okay, and this ladder has covered the distance. It has traveled the distance from C to B along the y-axis. That's 4 units. In this way, it means that this is the change, but this change is both sides, along x-axis as well as along y-axis. So we want to calculate the total change. We want to calculate the change divided by change. What is the change divided by change? Change divided by change is nothing but gradient. Change divided by change is nothing but steepness. Change divided by change is nothing but rise over run. Change divided by change is nothing but slope. So how can we find the steepness of this ladder AB? We can find the steepness, the gradient of this ladder AB from this point A to B. By which formula in mathematics? It is gradient equals to slope, that is m, which is represented by m, which is rise over run. So from rise, what do we mean? From rise, we mean that the distance traveled by this ladder along y-axis. What is that? It is 4 units. And from this run, we mean that the distance traveled by the same ladder along x-axis. What is this? It is 2 units. So by dividing this, we get 2 units. So which is nothing but the slope. So which is nothing but the gradient, which is nothing but the steepness. So this 2 units is the slope of the ladder. It's the slope of the ladder. It's the gradient of the ladder. It's the steepness of this ladder. So in the same way, we can also find the steepness of any mathematical object by this formula. Hope you have understood. Fi aman Allah.